hours while waiting for my laundry. I put some laundry on the washing machine for about just 55 minutes, almost 1 hour. But I did it already. Just 1 hour. Now I'm ready. I'm just waiting for my laundry. How's everything, guys? I'm just having my roast tea. I'm too much full anyway. This is the roast tea. How could you see this roast tea, guys? It's totally roast. I think it's called a red now. This roast is really perfect, guys. Before sleep. How was your day, everyone? Hope everyone is doing well and have a good night. This roast tastes good with the honey. If you have some honey, put some honey. It's really roasty, guys. I have a lot of box of tea right here. By the way, this is the roasty that I'm telling. It's really good, guys. Sige be.
May sabaw.
Okay ra ay. Tignan ko siguro kahit konti lang. Yun, gulay.
Sabaw?
Oo, sabaw tayo. Kuha ako konti. Marunong ka pala magluto. Sige, hindi ako. Papaklang ako.
Maraming kanin, may sabaw.
Nagano ako kanina. Nagkain na ako. Ha?
Maglaro ka bukas?
Laro ng alin?
Maglaro daw sila bukas eh.
Basketball? Hindi na ako.
Sino maglaro? Basketball?
Larong-laro na sila ni.
Uy! Ay, ako lang!
Hindi ako marunong mag-basketball, pre.
Hanggang chair lang
Sa
ako.
pinggan lang tayo nagsushoot ngayon.
Na-collar na. Na-alright. Ni Pusoy.
Pasok na sa basketball, maga eh. Sado na!
Sabi.
No seasoning ko dun ah. No seasoning on fries. Ay, kaputi na sa akong paa eh. Saan akong puti?
Parang ito si Erika Paraleha. Lawless lagi ay.
Pero balbon lang.
Oo, at least maganda yan. Unique lagi. Nico, salamat sa bulang ako. Hindi na ako.
Volalu.
Tigupin ko habang mainit. Dito na ako hihigot. Sarap panalo. Salamat sa inyo. Really hot. Totally hot, guys. May mga ka-flat ka-roommate ko, no? Meron pa akong sabaw. Actually, I'm lazy to take a bath before bed. Maybe I'm just having some maybe some refreshing nap. I'm really sleepy right now, guys. After work, I drink coffee. Not to sleep early, guys, because I want to sleep like 7 to 8 hours straight and wake up to prepare for duty. Like, I don't want